everybody, it's Michelle here. How's everybody doing out there today? I wanted to do a video just to show you how I'm living in my basement, which I enjoy. It's peaceful and quiet down here. Even though the bigger rooms are upstairs, that's okay. I'm a bit of a minimalist, so I will take you on a tour now. Okay guys, this is my bedroom. It's rather small. Like I said, that's okay. I did my room over. It was like brown, so it's teal now, as you can see. Normally I have some dolls up on the white pillow, but I took those off. And this is the chair that I painted. I need to touch it up again. I painted it with fabric paint, so yeah, it needs touching up. I do sit in it quite often, but it's, gosh, the chair's over 40 years old, so you know I can't give it up. Excuse all the cords back there. And my TV, I do need to get a TV stand. That works for now. So as you can see, there's not much room in between each side of the bed, and this is a queen size bed, but I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable. I have my closet, you know. Actually, I have two closets. One's across the hall. And enough dresser space when I do need to get another dresser. I was thinking about redoing it, but I probably won't get another dresser until I move, because that thing is pretty heavy. So that's my bedroom, which I said is nice and comfy. And you see the little plastic strips across? When I have my laptop there and I plug in the cord, that lights up. So my laptop's not in my room, but yeah, it's really neat. Gives it a nice effect. I wish it plugged into the wall. So that's my bedroom. I like cozy effects, so if I want it brighter, I can turn the light on, the overhead light, but I really don't like using those type of lights. And my mother got me this weighted blanket. Man, it's not, for me, good to use in the wintertime. I'm sorry, in the summertime, because it's so heavy. It's like 15 pounds total. But in the wintertime, I'm going to sleep like a baby because the blanket does not move. I mean, it stays still. So, and that's my room. All right. Okay, guys, now we're into my bathroom. It's a full bath, which I like. I did, try to brighten it up because this room used to be kind of greenish brown to match my bedroom. But I wanted to, brighten it up with some blues. And really, this rug was supposed to be teal. It's not teal at all. I painted these and, got some flowers from Target. Since I have Glam Glam for the pictures, I did do this as DIY. Some ideas that I got from YouTube. So I'm going to put one here. And I did this one. So I'm going to put one there and one on this wall, which of course I touched up, so painting. So definitely need to paint the bathroom. But I plan on getting maybe some of the glitter strips to maybe put around here and maybe put around the basket on the top and the bottom maybe. I don't know. I've seen a lot of DIY projects, and I just, want the bathroom to be comfortable. And like I said, the owner hasn't done anything really to the house. So I try to make it as comfortable as I can. So when I get the pictures up, once I paint, get the pictures up, add the little bling bling, I'll revisit this and show you guys again. Okay? Okay guys, so this is the family room. I like it because the kids are down here quite often, especially when my grandkids are here. But they all have TVs upstairs in their room. But, a lot of times we'll come down, have popcorn night, and it's just comfortable. It's a comfortable vibe. As you can see, I have the overhead light on just to videotape, just so you can see a little better. But normally I have cozy lights. I do need to get a desk over there in that corner. Yep, and then I got this table from the thrift store, which I painted. I buy a lot of stuff from the thrift store and, either do it over or do something to it. Because actually I have two black frames and they have mirrors inside of them. It's in my bedroom, which I plan to redo or repaint. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. but they were only like $5 a piece. So, and the fireplace, as you can see, which we like to use all the time in the winter. I go through some firewood, okay? Only thing I hate is when they deliver it out front, like I have to move my van, then I'll get a trash can, and because I live in a third townhouse, I have to bring it around to the walking trail in the back, but it's worth it. Then I stack it up, so, and the kids love it. But I call this my family room because some people like to have, like, you know, nice designer pictures or everything matching or black and white. Excuse me, this is my family room. So these are the pictures. That's me and my kids and my mom when we went on a cruise. Oh, and my nephew. It's probably like 12 years ago. And that's the same cruise, the kids with their father. And that's Moni when he won the 100-meter yard dash. Came in first place at the AAU in Detroit, Michigan. It was 2008. And my Redskin stuff. That's my lollipop. She drew that. She was 5 years old. I had the date. And then Cameron and Carter, Amber, of course, helped them write their name. But I have their pictures up here. And Sophia did that. Is it perfect in my eyes? Yes, I love it. I love it. So Leah did that. The only one grandkid I'm missing is my Tazeri. She turned 1 a couple of months ago, so I have to get her to do scribble, scrabble, something. And Amber did that for me. She was probably 5 or 6. Yeah, that's me. And that's Amber. So that's my family room. I do want to, like I said, I was trying to incorporate some Redskin stuff in here. So maybe sooner or later, I'll get it done. But I had the overlight on because I like cozy. I like cozy. So when I come down in here, this is what it looks like. My granddaughter, she does not like it. She wants that light on. I mean, I could brighten it up a little bit, but that's just me. Like even in my room, my bedroom, I don't use that overhead light unless I'm looking for something. For the most part, I just use, you know, the lamps that I have. So, and another thing, like I'm going to be doing more DIY projects. So I have a table out back that I'll be, you know, spray painting stuff on. But the one thing about the owner, I mean, the backyard is a mess. I try to keep it cut, the grass cut, and the grass cut. But he stained the deck upstairs, but didn't stain the fence. You know, when I said, well, are you all going to do the fence? No, he doesn't want to do the fence. Like, that's crazy. But anyway, this is his house. I'm just trying to I do take care of it while I'm here. So that's the basement. I will show you guys the kitchen and the living room and the dining room on another video. All right, take care. Toodles, bloop.